Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm coming to you all with another Crafty Vision segment. So today I'm going to show y'all how to do these right here. All right, I'm going to show y'all how to make some wave bracelets. Now, I'm sure that y'all have seen many people do these, but I'm going to show y'all how to make these really quick, really fast, okay? And you can give these as gifts. And if you decide to make these to sell them in a set of 3. Don't sell a single one. Sell them in a set of 3 because they look better together when they are clustered together. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them on my arm, but sell them in a set of 3, okay? So I'm going to show y'all how to make some waves and also how to make your latch hook. So for those of you who follow me on my very last video that I did showing y'all how to make a copper wire bracelet, I showed y'all how to make a latch, okay? So today I'm using 14 gauge copper wire. You're going to need 2 dowels. So this dowel I did get from Walmart. And this is another dowel that I got from Dollar General, okay? You're going to need of course, a ruler to measure out your wire. You're going to need your wire cutters and your round nose pliers. And I'm going to show y'all how to do 3 different, same technique, but just pretty much 3 different designs, okay? Doing these waves. So I have 14 inches of copper wire, 12 inches of copper wire, and 16 inches of copper wire. So the very first one I'm going to show y'all is I'm going to show y'all how to do a small wave, okay? Now what you want to do is, this is the 14 inches. You want to come down to the bottom. You want to make a loop, and the loop that you want to make, try to make it a nice size loop, okay? All right, just like that. So this is my loop. All right, that's my loop. Now what you want to do is, I'm going to make one doing the small waves. So I'm going to place my wire over top, and I'm going to start, actually I'm going to do it this way. And then I'm going to start wrapping it around. Just like this. I'm leaving some space in between. Okay. Wrapping it around just like this. All right. All right. So this is going to be for the small waves. So now what you want to do is you want to just pull it out, and you have some small waves. And this is with 14 gauge wire. Now what you want to do is you want to bend it up like this. And when you bend it up, as you can see, you see your hook coming up. And then you want to make your latch. So you just want to take your wire and bend it like this to make your latch. Okay. And that will go just like that. And this is using 14 gauge copper wire, 14 inches long. Now I'm going to try this on. The one thing you don't want to do when you make these is pull your waves out too much. Okay, you don't want to pull them out too much. But there you have it. Perfect fit. It's not too big and it's not too small. So now I'm going to show y'all how to make another type of wave, a bigger, much bigger wave. But I'm going to come down to the bottom and I'm going to make another nice size latch. Nice size loop like that. Your loops don't have to be perfect. They don't have to be perfect, okay? Now this time, I'm going to take and place my loop down on top like this. And this time I'm going to make my waves like this. This is going to change the look of it, but it's going to still be not as big, okay? Take it off. I'm going to pull it like this. All right, see that? That's what you get. And you bend it up. Just like that. And then you want to take and make your latch. Now, if you decide to sell these, make these to sell, please make sure that you file this down because you don't want this to stick anyone. You want this to be nice and smooth, okay? And then all you do is latch it. Now you see two different sizes. Okay, and so for the third bracelet, I'm going to show y'all how to make some deep waves, okay? So same technique, but this time we're going to be using the large dowel. So you're going to come down to the bottom. You're going to make a nice size loop. I don't think that's going to be big enough, y'all, so let me make an adjustment here. All right. So like I said, your loop doesn't have to be perfect. And what we're going to do next is we're going to come here. Place our dowel on top of our dowel. And then you're going to hold it in place. And then you just want to make your waves. Okay. Just like this. Make your waves. Alrighty. Okay. Now what you want to do, here it is. What you want to do next is you want to pull it out. Okay. All right, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend this part where I have my loop, and then I'm going to make my latch down the bottom. Make my latch like that. And I'm going to pull it out just a tad bit more and bring it in. And I'm going to bring this piece, latch it. Okay, see how deep that wave is? And just pull it to adjust it. And try it on your arm. Because you want these to fit. But what you don't want is you don't want to make it too big, because if you make it too big, then it will slide off your wrist. You want to make it a nice size so that once you put it on your wrist, once you clamp it, it'll stay in place. And there you have it. See? And these are comfortable. So I have 3 different sizes. I have this pretty much the small, the medium, and then the large. And then once you make your latch, once you put your latch on there, this is so convenient. It's really convenient with the latch because you don't have to mess with any toggles or anything like that. And if you make it and it's too, and you feel like it's too small for your wrist, all you gotta do is just pull it out just a little bit, make a quick adjustment and pull it out, and to make it easy for your wrist. But you can also add different things on here. You can add charms down the bottom. You can add your stones down the bottom, your gemstones down the bottom. You can add anything on these. You can make these as fancy as you want them to be, okay? So with that being said, I just wanted to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me for another Crafty Vision segment. If this is your very first time here on the channel, please subscribe. And so that way, when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. If y'all have not signed up for the hashtag merch giveaway, please make sure that you do that. Also, the giveaway that me and my sister is doing, the appreciation giveaway. All right, so with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for watching. And until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, happy crafting, peace and blessings. See ya.